You will be amazed by this 2019 Nissan Frontier. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Make comfort and convenience part of every job in this well-equipped Frontier. This midsize pickup is built to work as hard as you do, and it's available at an exceptional value. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, navigation system, four-wheel drive, bed liner, satellite radio, premium sound system, fog lamps, backup camera, multi-zone AC, Bluetooth connection, mid-size truck capability at an oversized value. That's the Frontier. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.